Hi everyone, Swanky Markets with the outlook for Thursday 20th of May 2010. Very strange day today. I said last night that the markets were difficult at the moment. Anyone who doubted me saw for themselves today. I had a loser today on the pair we're looking at. We'll go over it in a minute, the Euro Aussie dollar. It happens in Forex. What we are trying to do is we're trying to trade off logical levels. We're trying to trade off where price respects support and resistance, because that's what trading is: support and resistance over and over again. That's all it is. So what did I do wrong with this trade? I didn't do anything wrong with this trade. I had my trade planned, I had my order in, price came up and bulldozed through it and took me out at my stop. This was a trend line that goes back to February, and price has bounced, respected it a fair few times, and that's just the way it is sometimes. So, don't worry about it. That loss then there rang a little bit of a few alarm bells in my head about a few of the pairs, but there we go. Right. So we will look at a few pairs now in a second. But first, be careful tomorrow. If you are new, please do not trade tomorrow if you're new. If you insist on trading, then please use a demo account and just practice your price action. Practice getting in at logical levels. If you can do it in a market like this, you can do it in anything. The markets, they will be here the day after tomorrow, but will your account? I think that's a very important point. And a big part of being successful in this business is knowing when to turn your charts off and when to walk away. Okay, but we will go over the pairs and we will have a look. What I'm saying is just areas that I'm looking at, not levels of where I'm looking at. This is euro dollar on the daily. This is a very bullish candle. We had this pin bar reversal here on Monday that I all talked to you about, and I thought we'd get a pullback yesterday. It might come a day late. It came a day late. It looks like it's going to continue on till tomorrow. Looks like it, but we just don't know, do we? What is going to go on. So let's go through the euro. On the monthly, this is sitting right on the 200 EMA. A pullback, a good run down to break it. I'm still bearish on this pair despite what they're doing in Germany. They've stopped the big companies short selling the euro. So us little traders, it doesn't affect us, but the big boys in Germany it does, but they'll find a way around it. Don't worry about that. I've been there myself. So anyway, this is sitting right on the 200 EMA. It's pulling up, but we needed pullback, so that's okay. How much further is it going to pull back? I don't know. I haven't got a crystal ball. I don't know. If it gets up tomorrow to 12600, I will watch that area like a hawk. These are not markets where you can put an order in and walk away. These are markets where you have to see how price is respecting logical levels. There's a video there, if you go into the channel, our channel, Forex Swanky channel, you'll see a video on logical entries. Watch it, alright? And that is what you're looking for tomorrow, okay? So look at that. 12600 is where I'm interested in shorting this pair. If I do a fib, I can show you why as well. 12600, pull this down a little bit, you can see yourself, is just about 50% of the fib. 50% of the fib is 12621. It's previous, it was big support, which now should become resistance. 50% of the fib, and that is what I will look at. Look at your 4 hour, see if there's any EMAs up there. Let's pull this down, because this didn't get pulled down today. We're looking at the black, 12616. There's a 55 on the 4 hour, and that's about it really. So stocks are pointing right up on the 4 hour. They're coming into the overbought area, so I would look at that area and look for clues. See where your pivots are and things like that. The pound dollar, I'm only interested in shorting this pair. Let's have a look where we are. 144.78. It's at 144.55 now. Previous support, resistance. That might get there tonight at the start of Asia. I'll stay up, and I'm not sleeping well at the moment, so I might be up and I'll watch it. These are not normal. I mean, they're not. These markets aren't right at the moment. They will they will take your account out with a heartbeat. Now I was watching this pair today, all right, and see where we are here. See this area there, this candle here, right? It was the start of this candle. I was looking for a pullback to the CP, and I went to the computer behind me to check a chart. I just clicked on the chart, saw the level, came back. This had gone down and had already come back up. That's how quick that move was. So watch them, okay? And just be careful and mind your account. So that's what I'm looking for there. Also on there, what are we looking for? Look here. What's this? I'll give a price to, you already know what this is. On the MACD, MACD has got lower highs and price is flat. So that's what we call MACD divergence, okay? So this shows that this could go up a bit more, but this level here, I'll watch it like a hawk. Failing to break, if that breaks, I'll look at 146.40, 146.50 level is the next level I would look at there. It's the 50% of the fib. This pair likes it. Previous resistance, sorry, support there, previous resistance here, so I would look around that area if this gives way. But we have MACD divergence that has to be played out. It doesn't have to be played out, but 9 times out of 10 it's played out. So we should, you know, I'd be surprised if price reverses here, but nothing surprises me anymore. Now the euro dollar went up. I don't know how many of you are watching this today, but if you also look at the Swissy, that's gone up. This pair correlates over 95% of the time. I looked at the table today, it was 96.7% on the daily. Depends what site you go to. Some are 94, some are 95. But this pair was going up and the euro is going up. They're not correlating, and that should also have rung alarm bells for you today. So watch that. If the euro is going up, this should go down, and vice versa. This pair are like mirrors a lot of the time. So if we look here, I want to have a look here. If we look here, you'll see price has broken the weekly 2MA. It's had a pullback. Tomorrow I'd love a pullback here at 1322, but if we don't get it, look at 50% of your fib. Sorry, am I seeing something here? Hold on, sorry there guys. This is the candle here. Let me just check something here. 1 second. I just want to check, and yeah, price is right. Sorry, I missed that. It was green. It was hidden. This is yesterday's. We had 50% and it pulled up. Right. Okay. So this cat is right where it opened today. Okay. So you didn't make well. It's just right where it opened. So what do we want? We want to pull back to 1322. That's what I want. If that gives way, 1177 is your next level. But watch the euro dollar, and then don't place an order and walk away. You got to watch these markets at the moment. Okay, where else are we going? Euro yen. If the euro is going up, this is going up. As you can see, it's going up there. This could be what they call an inside bar. If the euro is going to go up, this pair could go up. A nice up to 117 would be lovely. I would like that. But I would be watch the euro dollar will rule this pair, so watch that. It's a cross pair between the euro dollar and the US dollar, euro US dollar and US dollar yen. So that's what I want on that pair. The euro pound today, I don't know how many of you did tops and tails in this today, but it came down to 85 and up to 86, came down 50 pips, it's gone back up to 86, and now it's hovering around there. If that breaks there, I'm looking at 86.50, which is be around that area is where it'll ping off this trend line, I anticipate, and then go down. But then look at the euro dollar. This pair is correlated between the euro dollar and the pound dollar. So watch that, watch those pairs. Keeping those pairs are main. They're key pairs tomorrow. They will rule everything. So if we break above 86, that's where I'm looking, 86.50, and where I have my trend line drawn there. So watch that there. Okay. This pair, this is the Aussie dollar, US dollar, was a nice easy pair today. If you'd done the NPB method on it, it would have got you in and kept you going. If you'd done the NPB on the pound dollar or the euro dollar, it wouldn't have got you in. 20 pips below is what we say, 20 to 25 pips, minimum 20 pips below, you wouldn't have got in. This pair would have got you in and you would have been up This pair moved 231 pips, so you'd have been up 211 pips at your maximum if you'd done it. MPB will not work on this tomorrow. Too far